Shortcut. International jumping dam out of Jacomar's family. This colt is your shortcut to success. He is sired by the Olympic stallion Emerald van Ruytershof, who can look back on a glorious sports career under Harry Smulders and is developing into a first-class progenitor of Grand Prix show jumpers. Dam Beatrice has competed up to 1.45 meters and represents a first-class Dutch dam line. She is a half-sister of Jody van Gerven's international 1.50 meter horse Valdemar, and great-granddam Viola foaled the well-known Grand Prix stallion Jacomar of Margautzacher. Viola can also be found in the dam line of 1.50 meter, 1.60 meter horses like Sebastian and Ibera van der Hagenhorst.